Welcome everybody to our new show, Restoration Roulette. In this show, we get a budget of £10,000 to buy a car and we only have a month to restore it in. But the catch is, we don't get to pick what car it's going to be. We list all the cars that are up for sale for under £10,000 on our big roulette wheel. And we get Keith, our body shop guy, who on the side is a champion darts player, to throw a dart at the wheel while it's spinning. So the first random roulette win was a 1967 beach buggy project. We paid £4,000 for this car, so that left us with only £6,000 to fully restore this absolutely knackered 60s classic. It turned into a lot more work than we expected because the engine was shot and the fiberglass body was nearly beyond repair. But with our super skills, we got it done and only missed the deadline by just 5 days. We also kept within our budget of £10,000. So the next random restoration dart was thrown and it landed on a 1974 classic mini camper van. It cost us £7,995. So with only just over £2,000 left to restore it, it was gonna be proper tight. This thing had been sat for years, so the inside was damp and worn and the body had some serious signs of rust on it. We started by rubbing down that old paintwork and changing it to a nice bright red. Then we moved into stripping that old drab interior out and went through it front to back to make it look brand new. We totally smashed the deadline on this, restoring the whole car in only 26 days and did it under our £10,000 budget. With our third random restoration, we tried to up the stakes a bit and make it a 2-month time frame with a £20,000 budget. So again, Keith, our champion darts player, threw the dart and it landed on a 1968 Mark I Ford Escort. We paid £16,000 for this car, so that left us with only £4,000 to do it up. It was possibly the worst car I've seen for a long time. Rust everywhere and lots of very bad old repairs on it. We jumped onto the project and cut nearly 90% of the bodywork out of this thing and replaced it with all new panels. Then we changed it from that boring flat white to a nice bright metallic pearl blue. We fitted a performance engine to it so it matched that awesome wide arched rally style body. This car needed so much work, it took us nearly a month over that 2-month deadline, but we did it in budget at under £20,000. Doesn't it look mint now? So subscribe and join us for more random restoration roulette in the future. See you again.